I'll read this part. Plate Tectonics by Trista and Maddie.
Divergent, convergent, and transform boundaries. Divergent boundaries are two plates sliding away from one another. Convergent boundaries are two boundaries sliding toward one another. Transform boundaries are two plates sliding past one another. Divergent boundaries are two boundaries sliding away from one another. When divergent oceanic is where two oceanic plates are sliding away from one another, creating a ridge underwater, which is underwater volcanoes. Sooner or later, the volcanoes are going to build up so much that over the water, there's going to be an island called an arc island. Divergent oceanic. Two oceanic plates are sliding away from one another, creating the water and creating a ridge where mountains form underwater. Once the mountains get big enough, the mountains will become tall enough to go above the water, creating arc islands. And there's Maddie with the sound. But yeah. Divergent continental is where two continental plates are sliding away from one another, creating a valley where the plates should be connected. The valley splits, and then sooner or later, water is going to fill in the valley. Convergent is where two plates are sliding into one another. Convergent continental is where two plates slide into one another, creating mountains and volcanoes. Not volcanoes, but mountains. Right here. Convergent continental and oceanic plates. The continental plate going toward the oceanic plate, one or another going toward the other one. The plates collide, making one subduct under, which would actually be the oceanic plate, because the oceanic plate is much denser than the continental plate. Convergent oceanic plates. Two oceanic plates moving toward one another. One plate is going to end up subducting onto the other one, creating arc islands to converge to form above the water line. While one plate subducts, the other one is moving above. The denser plate is moving underneath the other one, causing volcanic eruptions, melting the denser plate down.